back to Cosplay on a Budget. I'm your host, Miss Cosplay, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made my nephew's Papyrus Pants. So the same method that I used to paint the bones on these pants, I also used to paint the bones on my niece's tights for her Sans cosplay. Now, I actually got a lot of inspiration from other Sans cosplayers, and most importantly from Bunny Bee, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, on Tumblr. I'll leave a link to their post in the description, and they actually took pictures of their tights for their Sans cosplay all the way around so I could see just how the bones looked on theirs, and pretty much just copied it onto these because I was a bit clueless on how to make the bones look. I didn't want them to look too realistic or too cartoony, so yeah, I just pretty much copied them for my little niece, and then pretty much copied that for my nephew. But his is a bit different because his has shorts attached to them. So if you guys want to learn how to make the Papyrus Pants, then keep on watching. Okay, so these are the shorts for his Papyrus Pants, and I had to cut off about 5.5 inches just because they were way too long for what I needed them for. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold these in and hem them, and then I can start stitching them onto the pants. And I've already painted the bones on the pants, and I pretty much just drew on the bones and painted everything around the bones with my black fabric paint. And here are the finished pants. You can just wear tights under blue shorts if you want, but I knew my nephew would feel more comfortable in pants, so I came up with this. This is optional. If you want to look more like Papyrus's, you can take some yellow fabric or yellow fabric paint and trim the top of the shorts. I'm not going to do it just because I know his hoodie is going to cover it anyways, but also because these are very stretchy shorts and I don't want them to lose their stretch or become too stiff around the waist. And once I had the shorts sewn on, I actually then went on the inside and cut the pants away just above the stitch line. That way there wasn't the pants underneath the shorts, if that makes any sense. So pretty much it was just the pant legs and then the shorts. And that's it. That's all I did to make the Papyrus Pants. In the video, the only reason I didn't was because I didn't want these to not fit him if I painted them or sewed a piece of yellow fabric on here. And if you like this video, then go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, and ring that bell for notifications for whenever I upload the rest of this Sans, Papyrus, and Grill Bee cosplay series. And if you guys like what I do here and want to support this channel, then go ahead and head on over to my Ko-fi. All donations go to more cosplay supplies so that I can continue to bring you guys more videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!